Hello everybody, I'm back here again with a little package from Japan. Okay, let's get back to this. So what's in here actually is a little Nendoroid, which I've never actually purchased before. This one I ordered on Amazon.com for around 60 bucks. I had an Amazon gift card, so it ended up being like 53 or so, which was nice. Its package is actually really nicely done. It doesn't seem to be shaken around, which was nice because it came all the way from Japan. A lot of these places tend to not really package their stuff very well. Let's see. What the pictures come out? That's fine. That's mostly. So I see. Oh, I got some Japanese newspapers. That's kind of cool. See that? Interesting. Got a Suzuki. Okay. Nice. We're actually coming for. You can see them already. And what else is in there? Absolutely nothing. So, this is nicely bubble wrapped, and they have their little card right there, which is cool. Okay, back with this again. I'm going to try and open this the best I can with how pretty this packaging is. Oh man, that came out nicely. Okay. Oh, there he is. There's Box. Hello. Such pretty packaging, and it's very well designed too. You can see all that. Yeah. So there's all of his heads. You have the instruction manual here. If you look on the bottom portion of that, you can actually see the volleyball court. And yeah, I'll try and get all those together and see how they look. Oh, there goes that thing. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye!